Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to fix apps installed from Play Store could not be uninstalled in Android. So without further more delay, let's begin. So from the topic, you have known that sometimes what happens, you install some applications or games from the Play Store, and later when you try to uninstall it, you are not able to uninstall it. So why such things happens? So it's not anything that the application does not allow you to uninstall. The thing is that there is one settings which is being applied by the applications or the respective games that you have downloaded from the Play Store is restricting from uninstalling it. So what is the main reason? Say I have one application, say always on, right? So I'm not able to uninstall this application which I have downloaded and installed it from the Play Store. So to fix this issue, what you need to do is just go to the phone settings, and in the phone settings just search for one settings name as device admin apps. As you can see here, you just search this option named as device admins app, just tap on it. Now you can see here my always on application is turned on, so it has a device admin apps permission. So to uninstall this kind of application which is uninstallable, then just turn off or deactivate this permissions for the respective application. As you can see, deactivated this device, just deactivated it. Now it has been turned off, that is the device admin apps permissions for this respective application has been turned off. Now so just move back to the apps locations and just tap on it and just try to uninstall it. Now you can see it does not show any error message, so click on OK. Voila, now the application has totally been uninstalled from your respective Android smartphone. So this is how you can fix apps installed from Play Store could not be uninstalled in Androids very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then definitely you should try it out. And if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.